Hello, my name is Gwen and I'm the leader of Monkey Day in Vietnam.
My name is Basil, a field assistant at Kivali Chimpanzee Project.
Hello, my name is Michaela Duffy Kojo, and my connection to the New Nature Foundation is through my friendship between Michael and Becca, and my mother is also on the board.
This is Florence. We are happy to say hello to you today. I'm sad because of this disease came in the whole world.
Since the quarantine started, my job has greatly changed.
We have had a difficult time. My main task was stay at home, doing everything online and thinking about the time when we can continue our long-term conservation work.
It has recently become illegal for people to walk outside and do exercise outside. So now we are doing discos, private discos, just dances and all that stuff.
I and other few members of the project have a chance to go and spend few hours with the chimpanzees, monitoring their health. I can say all chimpanzees are doing well.
It can get very boring, but I have my family to support me and we have fun in the boring time.
What is inspiring me is people still have hope. They have hope, working so hard, doing this and that, washing hands, keeping a social distance.
That has been a challenging period for people around the world. However, we also learn many lessons about how nature and the environment are so important to humans and how we should respect nature. After all, I hope we will all join together to protect nature as we protect future for next generations.
I'm so thankful to our donors who have supported New Nature Foundation for a number of years. We look forward to continue working with you.
I always hope that people around the world, my dear friends in America, in Vietnam and Uganda will be safe and healthy.
We are praying for you and everybody and our Kivali National Park and for our lives. God bless you.
Thank you for your time.